All right, going over my Harbor Freight haul, as they would say. I have a central pneumatic medium barrel air hammer that came with a chisel. And let's see, I need a 30+ gallon compressor, and it's 90 psi, 3,000 blows per minute, 4 cubic feet per minute. I think my Harbor Freight will keep up to that. It's like 24, 28. We'll see. 2 5/8 inch stroke, built-in regulator, die cast aluminum construction, except standard 0.401 shank chisels. All right, cool. So, chisel. It's pretty light, actually. Interested to see how that'll hold up. Standard duty spring. And, yeah, pretty heavy. A 5-pounder. A little bit shorter than I would have expected for a medium length. But it is what it is. Oiled daily or warranties void. I don't know how they know that. It is a little manual, so. With it. One, I guess, is, yeah, it's a little bit between the two. It's like, that one's for peeling out nail type stuff, and this one's just a straight chisel. This one's somewhere in between. Yeah, once again, pretty light. That'll be good for driving shackle bolts and leaf spring hangers and anything of that kind of stuff that gets stuck. And these guys will definitely be peeling off some stuff that I cut with the plasma torch. All be very similar duty, for sure. Let's see what else we got. Here's an easy one. Pittsburgh 13-piece deep impact socket set, lifetime warranty. I've had some metric ones that I got before working with Toyota, and they've lasted for quite some time. I do believe that there was a little bit of an issue with the casting on one of my metrics where I had to take a carbide to clean it out and make it fit. But these look pretty good, so yep, happy with that. Let's see. Got some wire brushes. These very much come in handy for all the welding that I have to do. Unfortunately, they do bend the bristles quite quickly, and they end up being a mess, but we'll see. Got myself some 4-piece magnetic welding holders, 45, 90, 135 degrees. I don't believe this one gives you a weight, but I imagine that these, in combination with a larger one that I have that'll hold 50 pounds, should probably keep things aligned. Got myself central pneumatic inline desiccant dryer filter for my plasma torch. Hopefully that will try to save my tip a little bit. I believe if you're blowing a bunch of oil and air through there, I mean, oil will still get through to a certain extent, but moist air can destroy your tip really quickly. So, hoping this helps around that situation. Got myself some Hardy gloves. Of course, they are the 10x longer resistance, whatever, they're supposed to last a while. Definitely a copy of Mechanics Material 10X. I had a pair of those gloves and they were awesome, but I'm cheap and they had these in Harbor Freight, so yeah, those will keep my hands a little bit protected. Soft programming hands. Got a 1/4 inch by 4 foot trailer safety chain, so this is electric galvanized S hooks, grade 43. Yeah, the intent is to use this with a engine hoist to hold up the engine potentially for engine swap and the 1-ton axles when necessary. Couple grinding wheels. These are 4.5 inch, 24 grit, aluminum oxide, 13,200 max RPM. I think those were 99 cents a piece with a coupon. And then I got some 36 grit flap wheel discs, which then 4.5 inch. Yeah, these guys work really well too, in my experience. And I think I got these on sale for 69 cents. And last but not least, Central Pneumatic, 3/8 inch professional air ratchet. Once again, this one needs, I guess it says for continuous operation, you can use a 7 to 29 gallon, 90 psi, 6 CFM. That's a little higher than the air hammer. Interesting. Up to 50 foot-pounds max torque, reversible chrome-plated front exhaust. Alright, yeah, clockwise 48 foot-pounds, counterclockwise 50 foot-pounds. And of course, I go grab my razor handy. Alright. Take a peek at this guy. I also got this at Harbor Freight. Garter, or Gardor, or I don't know, girder. Anyways, let's figure out how to open it. There we go. Let's go to the safety lock. Multiple positions. Interesting. Never contort yourself. Learned that in the Cub Scouts. And it's all handy. We got the box. Instructions and safety stuff, I'm sure. The oil daily or void warranty was not in there very well. There's definitely some grubby, greasy fingerprints on here. I wonder if that's from the factory or if this was in somebody's hands before. You never know with Harbor Freight. It doesn't look like the threads have been used. Maybe there's been some sockets installed on this. There's some paint missing. Yeah, anyways, we'll see how it works. Yeah, pretty heavy, pretty solid, hopefully. Yeah, definitely necessary with the amount of work I'm going to be doing. So, last couple items here. Got myself some 1,000-pound capacity movers dolly, and my intent is to put my 1-ton axles on these as I need to wheel them around the shop. So, got 2 of them. And that's my Harbor Freight haul. So, woohoo!